Wambovhura foni yako kubva waenda pasocial media uchida kungorelaxa, maybe you're at home uda kungorelaxa uri pafoni, and then you come across a video wotonzwa zvichinzi leave your job, wake up at 4 a.m, become your own boss. If you are employed or if you have a 9 to 5, you are not ambitious enough. You need to leave your job. You need to become an entrepreneur. You need to hustle. And all of a sudden, wakutotanga kufiliswa as if iwewe munhu ari kuenda kubasa, munhu ane ka 9 to 5 job kake, wakutofiliswa as if you lack ambition. As if you're no longer successful just because you have a job, just because you're not a hustler, just because you're not trying to be an entrepreneur or a business person. And I get that. You know, one thing that I know about Zimbabweans is they're hardworking. One thing I know about Zimbabweans is titori mahustler, tinoto hustler. And I respect that because atingogari tongopeta maoko kusvika tafa nenzara. At least tikaona opportunity, we go for it, we try, and we try. We're hustlers, and I respect that. The only problem that hustling presented to us is that takaintroducwa kune chinhu chinonzi kuhustler, but hustling haina kuzotiudza zvinhu zvese. Vanhu vakauya vachitanga this hustle culture havana kuzoti explainera zvinhu zvese. And the first thing chavasina kutiudza ndechekuti not everyone is supposed to be an entrepreneur. You know, kune vanhu vekuti they enjoy their professions. Kune vanhu vekuti they enjoy just waking up and going to their 9 to 5 job, working and coming back home. That is all they want. Ndizvo zvavanotongofarira. Those people ukamutora ukada kutanga kumudza kuti you need to become an entrepreneur, you need to become a business person, you need to open your own businesses, and ukada kutanga kumufilisa as if munhu iyeye is not successful just because they enjoy their job. Kune ma-doctors, kune ma-teachers, kune ma-engineers. These people, they love what they do. They enjoy. Kana ari doctor, he enjoys what he is doing. Kana ari nurse, anofarirawo zvaari kuita. Kana ari teacher, kune vanhu vekuti vanotongofarira kudzidzisa. And it's in them, they find joy, they find fulfillment in just making sure that they are teaching people some things. And then tikauya nehustle culture totanga kuudza vanhu kuti you guys are failures because you are not starting your own jobs. You guys are failures just because you are not trying to be entrepreneurs. But not everyone is supposed to be an entrepreneur. Not everyone is supposed to be a hustler. Saka zvitori bo pakuti a hustler, yes, munhu ari bo. Hustler, kana uri munhu ano hustler, hustler ako. Kana uri munhu anoda zveprofession yake, you can still be your profession. But there's also one thing. You can still be both. You can still be both. You can still be someone who anoita zveprofession yake, and then pama free days, ma off days, ma weekends, or after work, you can still be a hustler. You can still do these things. Is zvakabatana. So this thing yekuti tinotraya kufilisa vanhu like ma failures just because they love their jobs, just because they have a 9 to 5 job. I think this thing is not it. And hustle culture lied to us, and that is lie number 1. So now let me move to lie number 2. Lie number 2 manje ndeyekuti hard work will result in success. I know this statement tese takakura tichirinzwa, and I know this statement is common. Kuti if you work hard, you'll be successful. If you work hard, unobudirira chete. Of course, I'm not discouraging people. I'm not saying people shouldn't work hard. Please understand what I'm saying. But if you look around, you find out that there are people who have been working hard. People who've been working hard like for 10 years, 5 years, but still hapana chiri kubuda. But when munhu ari kutoshanda chaizvo, and then there is another person who just knows someone, another person who just knows something. That person is not working hard. That person ari kungoziva information. That person akangowana opportunity. And sometimes lucky chairo rinoshanda pakuti unogona kungoita lucky in something, and then wobva watoona kuti watoita mari mukadhiri kako kawaita. That person hafanirwi kuzofamba achiudza vanhu kuti munhu asina mari is not working hard, because people in Zimbabwe are working very, very hard. Even maZimbabweans akabuda muZimbabwe who are abroad, kunana UK, kunana Germany, everywhere, people are working hard. But this statement rekuti if you work hard, you'll be successful. Of course, we need to work hard. And this could vanhu ngative lazy or anything. But just because you're working hard, it doesn't necessarily mean kuti you'll be successful in whatever you're working. I've seen people wekuti they got so much into this hustle culture zvekuti vakasvika pakusiya mabasa, kuti wanga utori nebasa rako ranga rakatonaka, basa raitokupa mari yekuti waikwanisawo kukavha ma-expenses ako, ma-bills, uchitoitawo imwe mari yekuti you are taking care of maybe your family, you are taking care of your parents. And then I've met people wekuti vakasvika pakusiya mabasa because of this hustle culture, and now they thought of themselves vachiti they want to hustle, varoda kuhasla, and then now zvavanga vakuita zvachona zvanga zvisingaunze mari inotombosvika pamari yavaipiwa nebasa ravaishanda, but vanga vakusvika at that point yekuti vakushora mabasa just because vapindwa too much about this entrepreneurship mentality, this be your own boss mentality, zvekuti vakasvika pakusiya mabasa, vasiya mabasa, now vapa mawani, vakutambura kuti udzokere futi kubasa kwakuya hazvichabudi because nengo wasiya wataurisa, you get it. So this thing yekuti if you work hard you'll be successful, of course you can be successful, but it doesn't necessarily mean kuti you'll be successful. This is the hard truth yekuti vanhu ava vadi kunzwa. Kune vanhu vekuti vakawanda, I'm sure papa ukada kufunga pavanhu vese vakambosangana navo kana vaunoziva, you know kuti there's someone who really really works hard, but kuti anzi chaiche ari successful chaizvo unogona kutadza kutoti aiwa munhu haasi successful wake, but kushanda anoshanda. So working hard is good, people should work hard, but you shouldn't think that just because you work hard the world is going to pay you. Yeah. The world is cruel, the world is harsh. You can work hard and still not get the reward. Another lie that this hustle culture brought to us is that if you're not busy, you are lazy. And social media yabva yanyatsokuchipindira manje chidhiri ichi zvikanzi every day you need to wake up na 4 a.m. You need to work harder. You need to outwork everyone. You need to sleep for 3 hours. And so for more than 3 hours, it means you're not serious. You need to spend your whole night working. But there's a thing called burnout and there's a thing called exhaustion. Unogona kutoswera uri busy day rese, but pasina na productivity or quit. I used to be someone who was like that. Wekuti ndaigara ndiri busy guys. Ndaigara ndiri busy zvokuti wegona ngonyatsokuona kuti handina time yekufema, handina time yekuzorora, handina time yekurelax. Ndiri busy every day of the week. But wazogara wakufunga kuti alright ndandiri busy wiki rese iri, but chii chine musoro chandaiita? Wotozoona kuti hapana. Pane masituations ekuti we get trapped, tongoswera tiri busy, but busy yachona hatina anything of production chatinenge tichiita. Tingori busy chete. Mumwe munhu izvezvi anongomuka na 5 a.m. just because anoda kunzi I'm part of the people who wake up at 5 a.m. But what are we doing patinomuka na 5 a.m. pacho? Because nyaya haisi pakuti ndongomuka na 5 a.m. Some people are now adopting ma routines evamwe vanhu. But then pakuadopta pacho tikungotorera zvinhu mudenga. Unodzwa nemunhu kuti you need to wake up at 5 a.m. Iye ari kumuka, maybe he's reading a book, maybe ari kumuka he's working on something. Iwe uri kungomuka na 5 a.m. Ubvabata foni yako, ubvoenda paInstagram, ubvoenda paTikTok. And then day rotopfuura, mangwana futi urikumuka na 5 a.m. Uenda pafoni pako, uri kuita something. And then you think kuti just because I'm waking up at 5 a.m. ndichabudirira. Just because I'm waking up at 5 a.m. zviri kuita vamwe vanhu ndikubudirira. So it's not all about just being busy all the time, because you can be busy but without being productive. Just because you are busy doesn't mean you are being productive. So you need to carefully analyze your time. What is the time you got? All right, of course I need 8 hours. 8 hours of sleep, guys, it's important because the body needs to rest. The body needs to rest so that it functions well. So iwe ukatangozudza kuti inini I want to be someone wekuti ndongorara 3 hours chete. Pa 3 hours pacho ndomuka na 5 wangomuka. Hapana zvauri kuita, unongori lazy, hauna kuzvijaira ka. Unongori lazy na 5 dzachona. Uri kungotarisa panze, uri kungotarisa time. And then you think kuti inini most probably I'm a hustler. Just because you didn't sleep for 8 hours. just because wangorara 3 hours or kutoti ame hustlers. You see, these are the kinds of things that people don't even take serious, people don't even think about, but these are the things ekuti the hustle culture is brought to our society. The hustle culture is lied to us, but iko kuhasla kwacho, please take note, I'm not saying kuhasla kuri bad, kuhasla kwakatonaka. I actually admire people who hustle, because those people vane another level of determination ka yekuti unonyatsoona kuti aiwa ava vanhu vanoshingirira, vanhu vanohasla. Vamwe vachona, mamwe mahustles achona chatisingazoudzwe ndechekuti kuhasla, it's not always about working hard, it's not always about staying busy, but sometimes kuhasla, it's all about, you can work smart and be a hustler. You can hustle smart, so good you don't even work hard but still you're making money. So ndichipedza, I just want to remind you, could having a normal job does not mean you lack ambition. Kana iwewe uri munhu wekuti you just like that corporate life. Some people naturally, they are just managers. Some people naturally, they are just builders. Naturally, ndizvo vatori. Some people are just doctors and they love it. They love their job. That doesn't mean they lack ambition just because they have a 9 to 5. That is their profession, and that is where they feel most happy doing. And if you are a hustler, you're also doing something that you like. You're also doing something that you enjoy. Problem chete ingori pakuzongoti kana ari uku akutanga kufilisa ari uku kuti zvaari kuita zvimake sense just because iye ari uku haasi uku. Kana inini ndiri hustler, handifaniri kuzova hustler uya wekuti ndakuataka every other person who is not a hustler, ndotanga kumuti haasi serious nelife just because they are not a hustler. Not everyone will be a business person. Not everyone is an entrepreneur. So whether I'm a hustler or I'm not, or whether I'm a 9 to 5 person or I'm not, the thing is, if we just know that these things can coexist, they are not mutually exclusive. If you know that these things can coexist, and if you also know that someone can be a corporate person at the same time being a hustler, we can have a better society. We can stop all this thing. Of course, it's nice. It's good to have this hustler's mentality, to have this mentality that I need to work, I need to do this. But the moment you start like imposing it on other people, ipapo ndo patone problem. But this hustler mentality has brought so many lies to us. Yakutanga kufilisa vanhu kuti just because ndafeel out this weekend I want to relax, ndakutofila guilt kuti handina kushanda, handina chandabata, handina zvandaita. No, that one is too much. So guys, let me know if you think kuti zvandiri kutaura zvina musoro. Let me know if you think zvandiri kutaura zvimake sense. I'm open for correction. Kana uda kutondicorrecta, you can correct me in the comment section. I will be reading through all your comments in the comment section. Kuti ndinzwe kuti imi munofungawo kuti kudii about this hustle culture that we have in Zimbabwe. But don't forget to like, guys. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys, it's goodbye for now.